Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and you know that Pinterest is kind of my jam, right? It's completely transformed my business, helped me generate over 20,000 leads for free, increase my traffic by 34,000 people per month for free. It's insane. But one of the reasons why I'm obsessed with it is because it's really all about working smarter. So when you post something on Facebook, when you post something on Instagram, it disappears within like 24 hours, right? So if your followers even see it, it's gone. When you pin something on Pinterest, that same pin can be working for you years later. Years, I'm not exaggerating, years later. So case in point, my fitness business, I started off in the fitness industry. I have not touched my fitness blog in just about a year now, which is crazy. I haven't pinned anything new. I literally have done nothing new, yet I'm still making sales from that blog every single day. And I was actually just checking my Pinterest account because it was literally, I just set it, forget it. Like I wanted it 100% automated so I could dive into the She's Making an Impact business, which I'm so grateful I made that decision. But I found one of my pins that I posted, let's see, this was April 2015. April 2015, so 3 years later, and within the past 30 days, this pin had 14,000 impressions, 16 saves, and 322 clicks to my website. So that's pretty crazy, right? One pin 3 years ago. So does it take work to set up Pinterest initially? Of course. Anything worth having is going to be like, you're going to have to work at it, right? But once you get Pinterest set up and working, you're going to be able to multiply your reach. You're going to be able to help more people and save so much time. So if you want to learn how, I have a free Pinterest masterclass that you can sign up. I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to use Pinterest to explode your biz. So go to freepinterestclass.com and I'll see you later.